This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Shoup. You're watching the 4 p.m. stock market update right here on TFNN. TGI... I don't know. Let's not say that. SPY trading up 0.14% at 526.22. I thought they were going to flip this thing red for the end of the day. They got very close. How about that? Yeah, you're right at close right now. Man, kind of a weak way to end this week, you know. Not a lot of volume on the test back up to the upside. This is kind of what we were talking about Monday. It's probably going to be very low volume movements. Maybe it's not the best time. I don't know. Even you're talking about Rocket Lab. When I talk about Rocket Lab, it's just kind of interesting. You know, in what realm do, you know, we want to dump a bunch of money into an experimental rocket thruster company? You know, I mean, you could get might get some gain if they win any of the contract, but it's not a given. And they burn a bunch of capital. That's a vestige of the last, massive movements of the bull market that we were just in. So yeah, I mean, quite low volume, trying to test back up to, above that gap up. And then it failed, and it failed on greater volume. Now, again, not a ton of volume considering the week prior, but just a weak market, This can definitely be sideways consolidation, 520 to 540, even a little bit lower. The composite is flipping red off about 0.13% at 16,286. And the Dow Jones Industrial fared very poorly today, off 527 points, well below 40,000 that we saw even the day prior, right? Trading almost near 38,000 right now. And the Russell futures relatively strong, up 1.02%. The dollar still weak at 99.39. Crude oil up 3.02. That has done pretty well. What I want to talk about Monday is Merck, pharmaceutical company. I think there's a lot of growth potential there that might not be, maybe people aren't seeing right now. That is an equity I am actually looking to add to my portfolio for the longer term as well. Taking a look at the 10-year because I haven't seen it. Oh, no, man, you're at 4.3%. This is weird because the overnight repo data that the Fed reported was very low. Where's the liquidity? Is it going into gold? And the money market funds can't really buy gold? There's a lot of weird stuff happening right now that makes me not want to dump a bunch of money into the market. Folks, thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you Monday. Happy Easter.